Good morning students. In last two videos, I have taught you factors, multiples and rules of divisibility. Today, we will do exercise of 8a. Question number 1. From the numbers given below, mark the numbers which are divisible and also those which are not divisible by the numbers given on the left column. It means numbers are given here and we have to check which number is divisible by 3 and which is not. For yes, we will mark like this, and for no, we will mark like this. Let's do. 99. Is 99 divisible by 3? First of all, we will remind what is the rule for 3. The rule of 3 is if the sum of its digit is divided by 3. Let's add 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. That's why we will put here. Yes. Next, 1 plus 8, 9 plus 4, 13. And 13 is not divisible by 3. That's why put here cross. 7 plus 0, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 0, 15. 15 is also divisible by 3. 2 plus 7, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 3, 17 plus 4, 21. And 21 is divisible by 3. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3, 15. 15 is also divisible by 3. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 and plus 0, 6. 6 is also divisible by 3. The rule for 4 is if last two digit is divisible by 4. Let's check. 99. 99 is not divisible by 4. That's why put here cross. 184, last two digit 84, and 84 is divisible by 4. That's why 184 is also divisible by 4. Last two digit 65, and we can see here the digit at the unit place is odd and 4 is even number. That's why it is not divisible by 4. Next, last two digit 80, and 80 is divisible by 4. 34 is divisible by 4? No. 43, and it is odd number. That's why it is also not divisible by 4. 10, it is even number, but then also 10 is not divisible by 4. The next is 5. The rule of 5 is if the digit at the unit place is either 0 or 5. Let's check. Here in 99, the digit at the unit place is 9. That's why it is not divisible by 5. Here, the digit at the unit place is 4. It is also not divisible by 5. And this number, the digit at the unit place is 5. Yes, it is divisible by 5. Here, 0 is there. That's why this number is also divisible by 5. In this number, the digit at the unit place is neither 0 nor 5. That's why it is not divisible by 5. Here, 3 is there. It is also not divisible by 5. In this number, 0 is there. That's why it is divisible by 5. The next is 6. The rule for 6 is if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Let's check. 99. 99 is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2 because of odd number. That's why 99 is also not divisible by 6. 184. Because of even number, 184 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. 6. It is odd number. That's why it is divisible by 3 only, not by 2. So, it is not divisible by 6. This number is divisible by 3. Because of even number, it is also divisible by 2. That's why this number is divisible by 6. It is even number, so it is divisible by 2, and it is also divisible by 3. So, this number is also divisible by 6. This number is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2 because of odd number. That's why it is not divisible by 6. This one is divisible by 3 and it is also divisible by 2 because of even number. That's why it is divisible by 6. The next is 9, and the rule of 9 is if sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Let's check. 9 plus 9, 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So, it is divisible by 9. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 is not divisible by 9. That's why it is not divisible by 9. 7 plus 0, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 5, 18. It is divisible by 9. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 0, 15, and 15 is not divisible by 9. 2 plus 7, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 3, 17 plus 4, 21. It is not divisible by 9. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3, 15, and 15 is not divisible by 9. 1 plus 2, 3, plus 2, 5, plus 1, 6, plus 0, 6, and 6 is not divisible by 9. That's why this number is also not divisible by 9. Question number 2. What is the smallest number which should be subtracted from and added to? A. 3646 to get a number divisible by 3. It means, what is the smallest number which should be subtracted from this number to get a number which is divisible by 3? And one more, what is the smallest number which should be added to this number to get a number divisible by 3? First of all, we will remind rule of 3. The rule of 3 is, if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Let's add 3 plus 6, 9, plus 4, 13, plus 6, 19. Sum of its digit is 19, and 19 is not divisible by 3. 19 is the sum of its digit. Now, what is the number just before 19 which is divisible by 3? That is 18. 18 is the number which is divisible by 3. So, how many number we will subtract from 19 to get 18? That is 1. 1 is the smallest number which should be subtracted from this number to get a number divisible by 3. Understood? Now, second one. What is the number just after 19 which is divisible by 3? That is 21. 21 is the number which is divisible by 3. Now, how many number we will add into 19 to get 21? That is 2. And 2 is the smallest number which should be added to this number to get a number divisible by 3. Now, B. 12,642 to get a number divisible by 4. What is the rule of 4? If last two digit is divisible by 4. Let's check. Last two digit is 42. What is the number just before 42 which is divisible by 4? That is 40. 40 is the number which is divisible by 4. Now, what we will subtract from 42 to get 40? That is 2. When we will subtract 2 from 42, then we will get 40 which is divisible by 4. So, 2 is the smallest number which should be subtracted from this number to get a number divisible by 4. Second, what is the number just after 42 which is divisible by 4? That is 44. Now, what we will add into 42 to get 44? that is 2. When we will add 2 into 42, then we will get 44, and 44 is divisible by 4. That's why your answer is 2. C. 5213. To get a number divisible by 5. And what is the rule of 5? If the digit at the unit place is either 0 or 5. For the first one, what should be subtracted? So, what is the ones digit? That is 3. What we will subtract from 13 to get a number which is divisible by 5, that is 10. That's why we will subtract 3 from 13 to get 10. Now second part, what should be added? Means what we will add into 13 to get 15, that is 2. The next is D. 7427 to get a number divisible by 6. And the rule of 6 is if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Let's check from 2. If the digit at the unit place is even, the digit at the unit place is 7. That is odd. What we will subtract from 7 to get even number? When we will subtract 1 from 7, then we will get 6. That is even number and it is divisible by 2. It will become 6. It means new number will be 7426. Yes, this number is divisible by 2. But let's check. Is it divisible by 3 also? 7 plus 4, 11 plus 2, 13 and plus 6, 19. And 19 is not divisible by 3. Now, let's subtract 3 to get even number. 7 minus 3, it means 4. Let's add the digits. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 2, 13 plus 4, 17, which is not divisible by 3. That's why it is wrong. Now, let's subtract 5 from 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then the new number is 7422. Yes, because of even number, it is divisible by 2. Let's check, is it divisible by 3 also? 7 plus 4, 11, plus 2, 13, plus 2, 15, and 15 is also divisible by 3. That's why we will subtract 5 from this number to get a number which is divisible by 6. Second one, what we will add to get a number divisible by 6? When we will add 1 into 7, that is 8. Then the new number is 7428. It is divisible by 2. Now add the digits. When we will add the digit, what we will get? That is 21. And 21 is divisible by 3. That's why we will write the 1. 1 is the smallest number which is added to this number to get a number divisible by 6. Question number 3. Find out if the first number is a factor of second number. Say yes or no. It means if the first number will divide the second number exactly, then we will say yes, first number is a factor of second number. Let's see. 8 1 ja 8. 10 minus 8, 2. We will drop here 0. 8 2 ja 16. 20 minus 16, 4. We will drop here 8, 48. And 8 6 are 48. We can see here 8 is divide 1008 exactly. So, yes, 8 is factor of 1008. Next, 7 9 ja 63. 65 minus 63 is equal to 2. We will write here 8, 28 and 7 4 ja 28. 7 divide 658 exactly. So, 7 is a factor of 658. C. Is 9 factor of 3145? Let's check. 9 3 ja 27. 31 minus 27 is how much? 4. We will write down next digit 4. It becomes 44. 9 4 ja 36. 44 minus 36 is equal to 8. We will write down next digit 5. 9 9 ja 81. 4 is remainder. It means 9 does not divide the given number exactly. That's why 9 is not factor of this number. Question number D. 11 3 ja 33. 36 minus 33 is 3. We will write down next digit 4. 11 3 ja 33. 34 minus 33 is equal to 1. Then we will write down the next digit 4. It becomes 14. 11 1 ja 11. 14 minus 11 is equal to 3. 11 does not divide this number exactly. That's why 11 is not factor of this number. Next, I. Is 14 factor of 464? Let's check. 14 3 ja 42. 46 minus 42, 4 is remainder. We will write down next digit 4. Again 14 3 ja 42. After subtraction we will get 2 as remainder. It means 14 does not divide 464 exactly. That's why 14 is not factor of 464. No. Next. Is 15 factor of this number? Let's check. 15 1 ja 15. 17 minus 15, 2 as remainder. Write 8 here. 15 1 ja 15. 28 minus 15 is equal to 13 as remainder. Write down 5 here. 135. 15 9 ja 135. We can see here 15 divides 1785 exactly. That's why 15 is factor of this number. My dear students, note it down. It is your homework for today. Keep practice at home. Thank you.